So the first thing you do when you get your kit, you take it out of the box, lay it all out. I'm going to take the beam and I'm going to turn it upside down. Then I'm going to take one of the cross braces and I'm going to turn this clip right here so that it's facing the beam. And I'm just going to slide it right into this groove in the leg, just like that. And I'm going to come over to the other end, take the other cross brace, and I'm going to make sure that this clip is facing the same way, which is this way right now, as the other one. And again, I'm just going to slide it right into the slot in the bottom of the leg. And I'm going to flip the whole thing over and come over here. And with the other leg beam assembly, I'm going to just lift it up over the cross brace, slide it down like that, and then come over here, line it up and do the same with the other one. Now, if I were going to anchor this kit, this is when I would come in and drill holes in the floor and use these anchor bolts. We've got 3 anchor points in each one of the cross braces. You just position it where you want it, drill your hole in any one of these 3 points, and then drive your anchor bolt in. If you were going to use the rubber feet, that you would install those. So you would slide your cross brace up a little bit, place the rubber feet on the bottom, just like so. Now we're ready to install the tiles. So, on the bottom of the tiles, there are clip connectors on all 4 sides, so you can turn the tile either way. Decide which way you want to start and continue going that way so everything lines up. The important thing here is you want to get the edge of the tile up against these little lock screws right here. Have the tile at a 45-degree angle, like this, and then just rock it forward. Should slide right in. Again, you cannot install these flat. You have to start at a 45-degree angle. Take the next tile, push it up against the prior tile, rock it forward. On the last one, I like to go the other way with it and start like this. To make sure that you have enough room. If you get a little tight, take a mallet, and you can give yourself a little bit more room by pushing the tiles like that. And now we have a completed platform.